It's time now for the Retirement Minute with the host of More Living, Jim Brogan.
The Federal Reserve has tools at hand to control interest rates and trickles over to the rates that banks charge for all their lending activities. The trade-off for fighting inflation and maintaining price stability is inducing economic slowdown that could lead to recession. Interest rates too high, companies can't take on debt to further their business growth. Interest rates too low, either prices increase across the market or extra dollars drive more investment speculation, leading to financial bubbles. Elevated levels of inflation and market turbulence can have a real impact on your finances. How long has it been since you evaluated the risk in your portfolio? How does market volatility affect your short-term income and cash needs? Be sure to balance your short-term needs for stability with long-term needs for growth to fight inflation.
Thanks, Jim. Tune in Saturday mornings at 9 for More Living right here on News Talk 98.7 and visit Jim online at broganfinancial.com.